When weighing an aircraft, fuel must be removed to help provide an accurate weight. Do you drain the fuel in the hangar where the aircraft is weighed? Even if fuel was drained outside the area, aircraft weights can indicate trapped fuel situations. If the hangar is also used for painting aircraft, additional safety standards must be met. When weighing aircraft in hangars, having certified intrinsically safe scales to meet safety standards can prevent fires and explosions when fuel or fumes are present. Even when steps are taken to remove all of the fuel from an aircraft, residual amounts can be trapped in the aircraft, or fumes can exist along the ground or in the pits of the hangar. There are several U.S. and international standards for electrical equipment in hazardous areas. These include National Electrical Code, defining hazardous areas including a section pertaining to aircraft hangars. IEC 60079, defining explosive gas environments, and the military TOs for fuel and fume procedures. Areas around aircraft can be defined by two hazardous classifications. The first is Division 1, where you would expect the fuel and fumes to be under normal operating conditions. The Division 2 areas are where fuel and fumes can sometimes be present, immediately around the aircraft and along the floor of the hangar. The fuel and fumes, which are heavier than air, travel along the ground, the same area where aircraft platform scales operate. The benefit in operating certified equipment in hazardous areas can be understood by looking at the fire triangle. There are three components to the fire triangle: air, fuel, and ignition source. Each part of the triangle needs to be accounted for in a hazardous environment. If equipment has an intrinsically safe certification, then it has been tested and proven to be incapable of being an ignition source to create a fire or explosion. This is one of the approved types of protection employed by equipment certified for operation in aircraft hangars. ATEX also defines international standards for hazardous explosive atmospheres and safety standards for electrical and mechanical equipment for use in these areas. The EX hexagon and logo markings indicate the equipment meets these stringent international safety testing standards. Independent testing laboratories conduct certification to ensure equipment meets the standards for operation in hazardous areas. Once the equipment is tested and certified, approvals and labeling are issued, indicating which environments the equipment is certified to operate within. Equipment that has been tested and certified by a nationally recognized testing lab, or NRTL, are labeled with the laboratory log, the EX symbol, and hazardous location terminology. To meet these safety standards for operation in aircraft hangars, Intercomp offers four types of intrinsically safe scales: the AC-15LP for small aircraft, AC-40LP for narrow-body commercial and military aircraft, AC-60LP for all narrow and wide-body aircraft, and the AC-3060 for all types of airframes. These certifications are another indication of Intercomp's commitment to customer safety, while achieving the accuracy, reliability, and repeatability customers have come to expect from Intercomp aircraft weighing systems.